Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to the Projects channel. Today, we're going to be building some sound panels. I've got a friend of mine who's going to be starting a YouTube channel pretty soon here, and he's going to be doing poetry readings in funny accents. So I will put a link to his channel whenever he gets that up and going. Anyway, he needs some sound panels because his apartment is rather echoey, and these sound panels will help dampen all that noise and give a more pure sound when he's recording. So, this is actually a thing that's been done before on another YouTube channel, which I will link to the video. However, we are not going to be just copying him verbatim. We are going to make this into a bit more of a decorative piece by making this into a 4-panel cityscape. So, without further ado, let us start the build video.
But there was further ado.
Okay.
You ever had these?
What exactly are those?
Cadbury mini eggs.
Yes, actually, I
Very
have.
Easter and festive.
Yeah, see, one time I had an ant. Actually, I've had ants all the time, but this one time with one of my ants, I decided I'd play a trick. And I put those, like some blue ones, into a nest in a tree. And so I was like, hey, ant, come watch this. And I climbed the tree and I reached in the nest and I ate some eggs. And she freaked out. It was quite enjoyable. Okay, so here is the basic plan. I have a water line, horizon line right in the middle. And we'll have buildings on the one side. And we're going to be using stencils to make these and spray paint. So we'll just have random building shapes across the whole thing, and like night on this side, kind of. So it'll be kind of like night, and then over here it'll be kind of sunset, and like it's turning to night. Then when we get the whole main big sheet done, we'll cut it into 4 sections like this, and then we'll mount each of these to the sound panels that we want to include, like the top of this one here, and then we'll get rid of this. This is going to go away. And then we'll line up the horizon line, and when we put it on the wall, it'll be staggered, but the horizon will line up, and it'll look real good. Let's get started, I guess. So are you happy with the noises that are happening now, Andrew?
These noises make me very happy. This is the sound of progress.
Yeah, I suppose. They are getting a bit quieter now. I guess that's the sound of the ice cubes dying in there. I don't know.
So what we did was we laid out our sheet and we realized it was in fact much too wrinkled to work with. And we were running it through the dryer with some ice cubes, which according to an old wives' tale will have a steaming effect.
It will also wake up all the neighbors.
Yes.
Hey, you know what you get when you goose a ghost? A handful of sheep.
It's still wrinkled.
Still wrinkled? The old wives demand more ice cubes.
That's only 2 though.
Okay, I'll get more. I have extra. That looks pretty done. Back to the shop. fellow Americans, I am raising my eyebrows, so that means that that is all the footage I have for today. So, in our next video, I'm going to be doing part 2, of course, and we'll be doing the stuffing of the frames. We're going to be doing the picture mounting and cutting it up and all that stuff. I'm going to be putting them on the walls themselves. So, look forward to that, and for now, I'm signing off.